Meteorologist Joe Bastardi, whether or not. This is going to be a brief whether or not.
Call out, reach in, call your own fouls.
Just got out of the sauna and you could hear some of the guys talking back there. So pretty cool. I mean, yeah. So that's okay because I do the weather anywhere, anytime. Okay. I'm like the Fresno State of weather. You ever hear Fresno State? We'll play anybody at any time. Well, I do the weather any place, anytime. Here's our forecast from this morning. And we're still sticking with that. Now, there are models that are trying to keep this offshore a la Matthew. Remember Matthew just stayed offshore? If it does not go inland south of West Palm Beach, it probably won't go inland in Florida because it's almost impossible to drive a storm ashore at that angle north of West Palm Beach. And the stronger the storm, the more it likes to stay offshore. So I don't flip-flop around with every model. This is what we had this morning. We'll keep it there for now. Like I said, this is going to be a brief whether or not. The other thing is, too, the slow movement means it could weaken before it comes on land. Now, why is that true? That's a good question. I'm glad I asked myself. First of all, be pulling in dry air from Florida. Secondly, it upwells the water and makes the water cool. And while being cool is really cool, for hurricanes, they don't like to be cool. Okay, they like to be hot, hot, hot. So that is another aspect we're examining. Still, this looks like a formidable, if not disastrous storm from Florida up to North Carolina before it heads out to sea. By the way, this is the only game in town. The rest of the tropics, including the Pacific, are quiet. Very unusual for August 30th. That's it for now. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you've got.